Welcome to the J&J Auto Wrecking Test video, stock number 9497. Today we have an LB7 Chevrolet Silverado 2500HD. Very light front end collision. Took this girl off of the Arizona streets. We paid a hefty fee to get her all the way back here to Northeast Ohio so we could get you guys some rust-free parts. Let me go ahead and, little residual there. That's interesting. All right. First off, let's just do what everybody's gonna ask. Does it have blow-by? It doesn't. A very strong LB7 there, guys. Thing is running phenomenal. Beautiful truck. Unfortunately, when we get them out of the West, though, this is what you have to deal with. So you either get no rockers and, you know, like barnacles everywhere, or you get sunbake. Otherwise, you got to pay 20 grand for this truck if you want it to be rust-free and have paint on it. Like I said, though, guys, LB7 truck, Allison 1000, 4x4, 373s. I'm not going to lie, I kind of wish I'd saved this thing for myself. Just a cool truck all the way around. Go ahead and test some parts here. I got power windows working. Slowly, but they're working. Oh, these aftermarket mirrors aren't powered, you don't say. I was kind of hoping. You just never know. Fun fact, if you want to disable this stupid DRL, 1, 2, 3, and they're gone. 216,000 miles on her. Go ahead. Truck goes right into gear. Low on power steering fluid, which makes the hydro boost sound like shit. Climate control works. Does the AC engage? We got a radio. All right. Ooh, let's bleed that real fast. Let's try the 4x4. All right, we got 4x4 right away. Back into 2 high. And she's happy as a clam again. Go ahead and put the windows up in this unit. Slow and steady wins the race. Man, I love me an LB7. I would not mind having one of these in the stable one day. I've had a 6.0, I've had an 8.1, never had an LB7. All right, guys, well, I'm smoking everybody out. Nobody likes diesel fumes. That is going to conclude the J&J Auto Wrecking Test video, stock number 9497. If you guys are looking for any of the parts you may have seen in this video, head on over to our website. There'll be a link in the description down below. I'm John at J&J Auto Wrecking. Thanks for watching. I also found out why I had no brakes. We blew a brake hose. Cool. You'll have that on these bigger jobs.